welcome to this video. This is our first video of our KMC training camp. My name is Blanca, and for the following days, I will be here and study with you. Let's go. Okay, today the first topic belongs to geometry module. So for the geometry module, the important skill for it is ability to observe. All the information is in the picture, and your conclusion should be based on facts. Okay, let's go with today's 3 problems one by one. So the first one, which piece completes the pattern? So after observation, we can find there are some features in these pictures. So all the pictures are around the 4 corners. So our breakthrough will be the 4 corners. So let's take a look one by one. So we will start with the top left, okay? So through the top left, so we can find the picture should be, it looks like an owl. So we can find the option B, option C, and option E. So we exclude A and D. And then about top right, so we can find that this time we exclude the option C. And about the lower left, it looks like an acute angle. So the final answer is gonna be E. Okay, so this is for this one. Your ability to observe. Okay, let's continue. For this one, okay, I will move myself here. So for this one, 3 small squares are drawn inside a larger square as shown. So 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna name this 3 square. Okay, 1, oh, what happened? 1, 2, and 3. And what's the length of the line marked with a question mark? So here, which is this line. And after observation, we can find that these 3 squares with the line below it divided the whole side of the square. For example, the third square, the side of the third square plus this 15 will be the whole length, the whole side of the big square. Yes, and for the first one, it's going to be same. So for the middle square, we can use the side plus the question mark gonna be 28 centimeters. So do you know the side of the second square? For example, like here. So many people think, we need to find the side, it's vertical side. So what about we find like here and here? Can we find this? Don't forget this is a square. So for the square, all 4 sides are equal. So actually, we also can change this question to find the horizontal side, right? Horizontal side like here and here. So now let's observe. The top side of the whole square, it's divided into 3 parts. The first square, the second square, and the third square. Do we know the side of first square and the third square? Wow, now it's so easy for you. So for the first side, we can use 28 minus 22 is going to be 6 centimeter. And for the third square, 28 minus 15, 13 centimeters. Okay, do you know the second side? This now it's so easy. 28 minus 6 minus 13. So for the answer, it should be 19 centimeters. Okay, that's the answer. So here I want to mention one thing. For the geometry module, most people are tends to believe their eyes. For example, some people think, here, let me do this. And we have a difference, right? After calculating this part, he or she gonna use 30 minus 6, then think about divided by 2. Because that one thing, this little part is a half of this part. So please, what's the problem? Is the problem tell us? Does the problem tell us like this information? No. So you should, don't forget, you should get to your conclusion based on facts. Okay? Don't always believe in your eyes and feelings. So no, you have to find the logic between it. Okay, that's for this question. The answer gonna be E. Okay, let's continue for the last one. So this one, no trick for it. Okay, we just it's like tested your comprehensive ability. You have to read the problem and understand what the problem lets you do. Okay, which key should it be impossible to cut into 3 different figures of 5 shaded squares. So here we got some key information like 3 different, okay, here 3 different figures. So different and 3 in total. And in each figure there should be 5 shaded squares. So let's take a look. So for this one, you just give it a go and try the key one by one. So we can start with the first one. And I have a trick for you. So for example, we can start, it will be easy when we start with the bottom. Because as you can see for the bottom part, you can only cut in this way, like this, this. But for the, if we start from the top, you have a lot of way to cut it. For example, like in this way or in this way. So I suggest you start with the bottom, will help you figure out the answer quickly. Okay, and let's do. So, okay, I also want to mention one thing, 5 squares. You can't do like this. I find 3 here, and I find another 2 here is also 5. No, so this won't be a complete figure, okay? One thing you should pay attention. Okay, now let's continue to cut them. So 5 shaded square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, okay, cut here and continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do this side or do from the other side, okay? And don't forget it's that 3 different. You have to make sure these 3 figures are different. Yes, the A, we can do this. Yeah. And what about B? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cut from here. And what about the next step? How we cut? So easily you can find, maybe we cut from here or here. But these 2 features, they're gonna be same. So some people say, okay, maybe I gonna try different way, like we still cut the bottom part here, and then we can do this 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So it's gonna be this. So look, are these 2 parts same? Yeah. So it seems B should be our answer. So if you can't make sure, you can continue. So what about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And what about now? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. And just continue and 3 different. Perfect. And about this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they are 3 different. And continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, just the 3 different. So it seems the B is our answer. So B can't, impossible is impossible. Okay, so B should be the answer. The option A, option C, and D and E will meet the requirements. Okay, that's all for today's 3 problems. If you have any question, let me know. See you next day. Bye.